This section is types of ecotourism and behavior. There are many classification of the ecotourist types depending on, for example, the types of the activities, types of the tourist interest, and the demographic of the ecotourism. But according to the Boyle and Butler, ecotourism may be divided into three different characteristics as follows. The first one, eco-specialist. The second one, intermediate. The third one, eco-generalist. Or easily to see that we have hardcore ecotourists, softcore ecotourists, and the one in the between. Number one, eco-specialist, or other term we call the hardcore ecotourists. There are people who prefer the simple development, like to travel alone, and are in the most oriented and to the nature environments, focusing on the exploring, viewing, and admiring the natural environments and the wildlife. They would like to stay in the area where there is no other tourists. They have the very little involvement with the local people. They are mostly interested in experiencing in the natural setting, and they require very minimal of facility development. The second type is the intermediate. Intermediate is the one who stay in between the hardcore and the softcore ecotourists. And then they are the one who accept limited development in isolated destination and prefer to travel with an organized tour set up by the specialist in catering for the ecotourism who provide guides to the accompanied tour. And this group of people, they would like to experience the natural setting, but at the same time, they need some kind of comfort. Therefore, they prefer to traveling in the group with the expert, for example, the travel agency. And then the last one, eco-generalist. If you can imagine, eco-generalist is another one that we call soft ecotourist. They accept more extensive development that suit their and wider preference and enjoy the attraction of the cultural environment equally within the natural environments. The visit will generally be of a shorter duration, maybe only a weekend in an organized party, following a specific itinerary with accommodation provided and a guide present to the offered in the interpretations. So if you consider yourself as the eco-generalist, that means you just want to have quick experience in the natural setting with everything organized. You need much more of comfort during the visit to the destination. In terms of ecotourism management, faced with the difficulty of how to manage the different types of the ecotourism. Therefore, the type of ecotourism play a significant role and influence on the direction of the site management, including the ecotourism activities, so that it seems that it is not possible to set up the activity that can respond to all types of the ecotourism because they require different things. Then the difficult part of the ecotourism is that how to make all the ecotourists in all types are happy. Therefore, the question is how to manage ecotourism so that it would be satisfy all different groups of the ecotourism in a destination.